Having a money breakthrough. Who doesn't want one of them? Well, that is what I'm talking about today. Ready? Let's go. Hello, my name is Dom, and I help people to step into their truth and power. And so I am so excited today because I get to do what I love to do most, and that is to celebrate some folks who have experienced powerful breakthroughs as we wrap up the fourth and final week of the Money Empowerment Bootcamp that I started a little over 3 weeks ago. Over the past month, people have been transforming their relationship with money in a real and tangible, powerful way that is just really exciting to hear, and I would love to share with you just a couple of the stories. The first one is a woman who is in the course and is a Reiki healer, and she always discounted her services. And since she has begun shifting her relationship with money in the bootcamp, for the very first time she had a client insist on paying her full price for her service. In another instance, a person let go of old money beliefs that were no longer serving them and landed themselves an amazing new opportunity that they didn't see coming that will really give them some stable income, which is what they really have been seeking for months now, but just wasn't receiving until they began implementing some of the things that I've shared in the bootcamp program. And then another woman realized that she wasn't respecting her money. And the week that she began letting go of some powerful negative beliefs that she was holding on to, abundance began to show up for her. She received an unexpected refund check for $500. She also received some unexpected discounts in stores. And then someone paid for her meal at a drive-thru. All of that happened just in the past week for her. She says she's never experienced a week like that before in her life. So this is just 3 quick examples that I am celebrating with these clients that took the Money Empowerment Bootcamp. And there are more that I could share with you too. But the point here is these people struggled in their relationship with money, both personally and in their business. And because of the work that they've done over the past month in the bootcamp, they are now not only changing negative beliefs that they've held on to for a very long time, didn't even realize that they had, but they are creating powerful beliefs and manifesting things they didn't even see possible before. So maybe you're sitting here thinking, but I don't think that will work for me. I want to inform you that yes, it absolutely can work for you, but you must first decide that you want to change. And that you also must be willing to do something different to leverage a different kind of experience than maybe you've been having or ever experienced before. As long as you sit and say, I can't do that, or it's not going to work for me, as long as you're in that state, you'll remain stuck in that state of experiences that you are in. You've got to want this change, and not just in your mind, but in your heart as well. In the bootcamp, I share exactly how to do this so that you can begin to move out of a scarcity energy and into a more abundant one. If this is something that you would like to try but still are skeptical, I invite you to give it a try anyhow. There is a small investment of $49.97, but after taking the course, it's only 30 days, if you find that you didn't receive any value from it, I'll refund the money back to you. I stand in that much confidence of this program. All you have to do right now is to decide that you're willing to make this change. You're willing to give it a try. That you want to experience something different. You want more abundance. You want more freedom. And you want more opportunity coming into your life. Are you ready? Because I am ready to do this with you. And you'll be able to start this in a self-paced online experience that only requires about an hour of your time each week for the 30 days. So if you're ready, say yes to yourself and just click on the link in the comments box below and let's get started together. I'll see you inside the Money Empowerment Bootcamp.